Hi everyone, I'm Chandler with Alliance RV. Today we're taking a look at the Delta Ultralight ML206. This Delta Ultralight is coming in at 23 feet 11 inches and weighs just under 5,000 pounds, making it Alliance's lightest weight unit ever. Let's go take a look. So welcome to the inside of the Alliance ML206. First thing you're going to notice is this big counter space area for your kitchen. Not only that, we have the flat barrel ceiling, which is going to give you extra storage in the kitchen for any of your pots and pans. In the kitchen, you're going to have a large oven with a 3-burner cooktop and then a flip-up countertop storage extender as well. So also in the kitchen area is your entertainment space. You're going to notice this large flat screen TV directly across from your seating area, as well as a big fireplace. Moving into the bedroom, you're going to notice this large queen bed. Not only is it a large bed, but it's going to have an even larger storage compartment underneath the bed. This is great for putting in clothes, shoes, or other amenities you might need. Also in the bedroom, you're going to have nightstands on either side of the bed, great for CPAPs or lamps or anything else. There's also additional storage around the bed where you're able to hang your clothes or fold your clothes with this removable shelf. Other things that you'll notice in the Delta ML206 is the blackout shades that we have on every single window, as well as the taller slide-out box in the entertainment slide. Welcome to the entertainment area. Nice theater seats directly across from your TV with a pull-out desk, perfect for reading or getting some work done. If you're looking for a quick snack, look no more. You got a pull-out pantry fit with a couple shelves to make packing on the go really easy. So in the back of the unit, you're going to notice this large refrigerator. Not only is it accessible while everything's closed up and you're on the road, but it also is powered by our standard 200-watt solar panel that's on board on every Delta. Also next to the fridge, you're going to find even more storage for whatever you might need. Now into the bathroom, the first thing you're going to notice is our deep stainless steel sink. Along with that, you're going to have a medicine cabinet with plenty of storage, a toothbrush rack, and a huge shower. This shower is big enough to be able to move around in, even for our taller folks out there. Next to your shower is going to be your deep linen closet, and directly below that is going to be your soft close toilet seat with water shutoff valves behind it. Now moving to the exterior, the first thing that you're going to notice is this massive pass-through storage. Every Delta Ultralight will give you 42 feet of pass-through storage, which is the largest in class. Something really cool in the Delta pass-through storage is a 3-way switch that you can control your awning from the outside, watching it to make sure you don't hit any trees or other RVs. Now onto the tires. Every Delta Ultralight will come with Goodyear Endurance tires, and that comes with a 5-year warranty. Just like every other product at Alliance RV, the Delta Ultralight is also warranted for full-time living. Not only that, but it's also considered a 4-season camper. The first thing you're going to notice at the rear of the Delta Ultralight is this wide ladder. Not only is it stronger, it's a steel ladder, but it's also 18 inches wide, which means it can also purpose as a towel rack. Also on the rear, you're going to notice a universal backup cam prep, as well as a 300-pound hitch, great for bike racks. As we move to the off-door side, one thing you'll notice about our slides is not only are they rack and pinion slides, but they also have laminated slide-out boxes. Listening to our customer feedback, one thing that we decided to do is move all of our spray ports on the outside. We're going to have 3 hot and cold spray ports that are all temperature controlled straight from the off-door side mixer. Also on the off-door side, you're going to have your battery disconnect as well as your 40-amp charge controller for your 200 watts of solar that comes standard on the Delta Ultralight. The Delta Ultralight ML206 features aluminum cage construction with Azdel on both the exterior sidewall as well as interior sidewall. This will give you twice the insulation factor compared to wood, and it also can't rot or mildew. Not only that, but the roof will feature a PVC roof, which comes with a lifetime warranty and has about 60% more solar reflective capability. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. For more information, you can take a look at generalrv.com.